Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Many of you may have forgotten, but there was a flyover that was built by Governor Okezie Ikpeazu when he was governor of Abia State. And that bridge was commissioned with fanfare on 2 years ago, 2022. It was estimated that that bridge was constructed at the cost of over 7.3 billion naira. That bridge was commissioned by N7.3bn, the then governor of Abia State, and all the members of the G5 governors, governors, they were all there. It was commissioned with fanfare. It was the first to be built in the N7.3bn Aba. That bridge is now under threat, is falling apart. A bridge that was built in 2022, barely 2 years, the bridge is falling in sections of it. That is what we're going to talk about in this video, and also use it as an example of how not to lead a people and how not to govern. Before I continue on this trajectory, if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, the Commissioner for Information, Abia State, Prince Okey Kanu, said that the governor of Abia State, Dr Alex Otti, has directed the Commissioner for Works to effect immediate repairs on the failed portions of the Osisioma Flyover built by the immediate past administration of Okezie Ikpeazu. In the statement that he issued, he regretted that the flyover has started failing within 2 years of its inauguration. That is what I want to talk about. This idea of people doing projects without sincerity. Because how can you build a bridge at the cost of 7.3 billion? After 2 years, that bridge has started failing in some portion of it. What kind of bridge are you building? What kind of bridge did you build? Who are the people you gave the job to? What kind of supervision was done? And we are talking about 7.3 billion. We are talking about 7.3 billion. After 2 years, the portions of the bridge has started failing. How can people govern a state like this? How can a country tolerate this kind of attitude from their leaders and they accept it? Now, I don't know what Dr Okezie Ikpeazu is doing about it, but generally, there ought to have been an agreement by those who built that bridge that they will continue to maintain that bridge at least for the next 10 years if there is any problem with it. As a warranty that, look, if anything spoil within this period you have just finished building this bridge, you are the one to bear the cost. Now Abia State government is going to bear the cost of repairing that portion, those portions that are failing. And you can imagine how much they will be sunk into it. What kind of nation are we? What kind of people are we? That's why I get upset when I see people talk rubbish about Dr. Alex Otti, because Dr. Alex Otti has shown that Abia could get it right. Because look at the kind of mess Okezie Ikpeazu left behind. This Osisioma bridge is his signature project. This is what he used to take pride in. In fact, if you go and read his statement when this bridge was commissioned in 2022, he was making mouth, talking loud. He said, "This is my bridge. I don't want anybody to come and put poster in this bridge. We know that the election was coming. Don't put your poster. Go and put your poster in the project you delivered, not on my bridge." That was what he was saying. And look at the result after just 2 years. Money that ought to have gone to nothing will now be channeled to go and repair portions of the bridge that is failing. That's a sad comment. And that's why it pains me when I hear some people talk, especially those who work with that Okezie Ikpeazu, talk against the Alex Otti, that he did this, he did that. These are the people that run a system in Abia State. They were not paying pensioners, they were not paying teachers, they were not paying civil servants, they were not paying lecturers, they were not paying polytechnic lecturers. And the economy was not as bad as it is now under Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Yet, Alex Otti is doing far more than that. And that reminds me, Alex Otti has just declared free education from primary up to junior secondary school, and he made it compulsory in line with the Child Rights Act. Something that no PDP governor had ever done or would have done, because they are much more concerned about their own selfish interest than to work for the people. So despite everything, the challenges he's passing through, Alex Otti is doing well, at least as an example, to show, yes, despite the rubbish that was done by the Okezie Ikpeazu administration and all the previous PDP governments, right from Osisioma, that Abia is getting it right. But it is sad that a project that worth over 7.3 billion will be built. After 2 years, it began to fall apart. That is not good. That is condemnable. And of course, what can we do now? Perhaps there was no agreement that the company that built it will continue to maintain it for some time. Because it is too early, just like you going to buy a brand new fridge, they must give you a warranty. I know that if you go to buy Tamako now, Tamako, if you buy it from a dealer today, they will give you warranty about 3 years. If anything bad happens to it, they will take care either to repair it or to change it for you. I don't see why a state will build a gigantic project that cost that kind of 7.3 billion, and there was no arrangement for the contractor to take charge of the repair in case there's a problem. Now that negligence is a cost now that must be bared by the Abia people. I don't know what you think about this. What is your view that we live in a country where a brand new bridge will be built after 3 years, after 2 years, it started to fall apart? What kind of country is this? What is your position on this? And what do you think that should be done to Dr. Okezie Ikpeazu and the contractor that did this? Is there anything that could be done? Of course, to me, I don't think there's anything that could be done about it. The contract had been awarded. He had moved on with his life. But what do you think should be what is your comment on this kind of sad situation that we find ourselves in this country, where governors exhibit nonchalant attitude on things that concern the public? When they finish their tenure, they walk away. Whatever happens, it's left for the incoming governor to know whether to live with it or to do whatever with it. What is your view on this? That a bridge that was built 2 years ago has started to fell apart. A bridge that cost about 7.3 billion naira. Let's hear from you. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.